Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever you try to launch the game, you got the message we couldn't install a required dependency. Please try to restart your PC. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to uninstall and reinstall right Vanguard guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select as. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sc space delete space vgc, press enter, and now type sc space delete space vgk, press enter. After finishing this, you must restart your PC guys. So go ahead and restart your PC. Before proceeding to uninstall right Vanguard, you need to make sure you restarted your PC. Then go to File Explorer and go to local disk C. Open the program files folder. In here you just need to search for right Vanguard. Right click on it and delete it guys. In my case I didn't restart my PC, that's why I can't able to delete this folder. You need to delete this folder after restarting your PC. After deleting this folder, close it up here. Open up right client. Select the Valorant. Select the update option. This will help you to install Vanguard guys. After finish updating, you need to restart your PC guys. Your game requires a system restart to play. So go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, your problem has been fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.